Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to follow up on this little screwdriver T-handle that I got to use with this kit that I was building, just to kind of carry around with me. And the idea behind it was I wanted to carry this with tips, different tips, with the ability to change depending on what I'm using. Torques, standard or metric. I've been using metric a lot. Or like this, I can use nut drivers, whatever I may end up having, and I could use it however I need it to. It ratchets, which is, it's nice. But I could also use this in conjunction with a 3/8 or a 1/4 inch ratchet attachment. So I could do a, like this dude. It hurt my feelings the other day, and it's not as much its fault as I was hoping. It was $8, so I wasn't actually expecting a ton out of it, but I thought for what it was, we would see how she goes. So I used it for a few hours the other day, taking apart multiple things, small stuff, rebuilding some Fife edge guide cylinders and a few other things that were kind of small. And some of that stuff's in pretty tight spots, and I found that if I use this can hit, like you got to have plenty of room for this thing to roll. And some places this thing it'll get like really long, which I thought was cool, like when I was using it. But I got in a spot where we'll use it doesn't really matter. I done lost one of these, by the way. I got some holders coming in, so maybe that won't happen again. But it had this dude. Well, come to find out, if you push this guy, any kind of pressure on it, it'll go in there. Like it'll fall down in here. You got to shake it to get it out. That made me sad. This thing, and I also tried like taking this all the way out and putting this dude in here. It'll do the same thing if you try putting a bunch of pressure on it. So that had me fussing and fighting with it a good bit the other day, and I needed to find something that's not as big. I was thinking this would probably let me use some sockets on it, and I could break loose lots of smaller stuff with just this and not have to get a ratchet or a wrench out. But not how it went. So I started looking, and again, this in bits were to replace carrying a set of Torques, 2 sets of Allen wrenches, safety bits if I had to do that, 4 or 5 nut drivers. It was just going to save space if I had one designated handle. Is it Weha, I think, how you pronounce their stuff? They had one, just a really inexpensive one. It was like $10, but it was really long. And I got thinking, man, if it needs to be shorter, there's nothing I can do about it because it's one size. So I got looking around, and I found this dude right here. Vessel. It's Japanese made. It comes with this in a little belt clip that has different bits on it, and it's got your speed, so you can twist it in real fast if you need to. It ratchets either way, or you can put it in the middle and it just locks up. But I can get a good grip on this thing, so I think I can probably get some smaller fasteners loose with it, like bolts and such. Allens and stuff like that, I shouldn't have a problem with this guy. I'm not entirely sure, but I think the holes, if it got really frumpy, I could probably stick a screwdriver in it and really help me break it loose, but I don't know if that would hold up to it. The use of the bits, though, was the biggest thing. For me, it's got a good, strong magnet in it. So that's promising to me. There's a bunch of different ones of these out here, but this one in particular is much smaller than this guy, and it feels really nice. Like if you're working with tools, twisting, prying stuff, it feels pretty good. It's got a good feel to it. It is 3 inches long total length, and from outside to outside it's 3 inches. So it's 3 inches this way, it's 3 inches this way. And this dude was, I can't remember how much this guy was. I want to say maybe it was, hang on a minute. I think I got my other phone in my pocket. Well, look here, I got it off Amazon. And there were several other, man, they got some awesome screwdrivers. I was looking at them. I was actually not familiar with their stuff, but I went ahead and ordered some screwdrivers from them just because I'm a sucker for a good screwdriver. The overall design of this is very sleek, and I've had good luck in the past with Japanese tools, as well as German stuff and Swedish stuff. I've had plenty of good tools from those guys. Let me look right here. Vessel, what did I type in? Bit driver. There's several different ones to choose from. This one here comes in at, some of the bigger ones are 15 bucks. This one is, well, I can't find it now that I'm looking for it. What the heck? What the heck, Vessel? But I think this is gonna do what I'm looking for. Like I said, I'm building this thing specifically to do what I want to do. I don't necessarily don't have to have. It's $14.68. I don't necessarily have to say, maybe this will work, whatever. If it doesn't work quite right, I'll just replace it with something else. I can use the tools. Everything has its place, especially in the maintenance and millwright fabrication style stuff, but I wanted this to be a small package that I could do a lot of things with, and it carries a lot better in my pouch too. It's a lot smaller. But anyway, do some nerding out on the Vessel products. I've been really impressed looking at some of their stuff, and I'm gonna get this guy in there. I have to do something different Tuesday, or Monday, but Tuesday I'll get this thing. We'll see what she'll do. But this guy, well worth $8, but it's pretty honking big. It's pretty big. You're looking at about almost 6 inches long, laid out there, and it's 4 inches wide. It's pretty big. Again, if you weren't worried about tight spaces, this would work. It'd be okay. Just have to stay away from little bitty short bits, but that would be all right. Anywho, I just wanted to share my pouch. I've picked up several new bits and bobs for it, different things, some pliers and some little scribes and these cool little magnet deals. I was looking for something that I could stick to the side of the machine and put bolts on or set screws as I needed them, and these are going to be perfect for that. I think they're pretty strong. But anyway, good old Pro Pack. That's what's up. Y'all, I appreciate the support. More coming on this guy soon. Later.